Good evening, viewers. The sun has set just now. There is a twilight position. There is somewhat darkness, somewhat light. Nearly all birds have come back to their houses, that is, to their trees. After flying everywhere throughout the day in search of their food, birds have now come to retire on these trees. Their slow chirping, twittering is being heard. As compared to early morning, they chirp, twitter, and produce different sounds, sing very less. In the morning, all the birds are excited to get their food. That's why their chirping, their twittering, their singing is continuous and for a long time. But in the evening, their chirping is scarcely or rarely heard because they don't need to search food in the darkness. Thank you. See you. Please like, subscribe.